Plotting a data frame with seaborn.pairplot in multiple colors. I want to create a plot similar to this image in order to compare multiple DIMs of my dataset. The dataset is no preset. I managed to display the data correctly in one color, but I want one color for y equals 0 and one for y equals 1 to compare the points. Just like in the image of the iris dataset, as soon as I include the hue equals y in the SNS.pairplot method, the code will not compile until the end. Also, I don't understand the console output. What's the issue? Import seaborn as SNS, SNS.setStyle equals ticks, color underscore codes equals true, import pandas as PD. This is the output for the data frame. It looks alright to me. But eventually I receive this error. I think I am doing something wrong with the SNS.pairplot, which I don't understand yet. Can you explain it to me, please?
The problem seems to be that the Y column itself is numeric. It would hence be included in the pair grid as a column/row. This seems undesired anyways. To select the variables that shall take part in the grid, use the pairplot's vars keyword. The reason the iris dataset works without specifying vars is that the hue column is not numeric. Non-numeric columns are not included in the grid. Complete example.
Seaborn.pairplot